Now the question before us is, why do people create computer viruses? The purpose of a computer virus is basically malicious. There are some common purposes behind the creation and distribution of computer viruses, and these common purposes may be disruption, destruction, theft and espionage, botnets and remote control, pranks or mischief, experimentation. Mainly the motive of the person for infecting a computer system of a person may be to earn money, or sometimes a person may be having some grudge or wants to take some revenge from some organization or an individual. For that reason also, the person may create and send the computer virus to the computer system of another individual or the organization. It is also quite possible that the some state nations may also use computer viruses to affect the computer systems of their other countries. So now we will discuss each of these purposes one by one. First is disruption. Some viruses are created with the intention of disrupting the computer systems or networks. These viruses may crash the computer system, or they may slow down the working of the computer system, or they may disable certain functionalities of the computer system. Next point is destruction. Some viruses are programmed in such a way that they destroy files, data, or even the entire operating system, and thereby those viruses cause significant damage or loss. I love you virus caused damages worth $10 billion approximately. Some viruses are designed to steal sensitive or confidential information. Such sensitive or confidential information may include credit card numbers, passwords, personal details, and other sensitive or confidential data. Now, what is the purpose behind collecting secret or confidential data? These viruses collect this secret and confidential information and send it to the cyber attacker who had launched this cyber attack. The stolen data is then sold by the cyber criminals in the underground markets or used for identity theft and other fraudulent activities. Next point is botnets and remote control. A virus can infect a computer and turn it into a part of a botnet. Botnet means, suppose there is a malicious person A. He has infected many computers which are located at different places. Then all these computers become the part of a botnet, and all these computers may be used by the cyber attacker to launch an attack, that is distributed denial of service attack on some another website, so that no person is able to access that website. So now we read this. A computer virus can infect a computer and turn it into a part of a botnet, a network of compromised computers controlled by a central attacker. The infected computers, also known as zombies, can be used to carry out distributed denial of service attacks. When denial of service attack is launched, then the normal user is unable to use that website, and the website on which the DDoS attack is launched is crashed, then these infected computers may also be used to send spam emails or perform other malicious activities without the knowledge of the owners. Example is in October 2016, the Mirai botnet was responsible for a massive DDoS attack on Dyn, a major domain name system provider. This attack affected major websites like Twitter, Netflix, making them inaccessible to users for several hours. Next point is, sometimes viruses are created simply to cause annoyance, inconvenience, or play pranks on the computer users. These viruses might display humorous or scary messages, or change desktop backgrounds, or make strange noises. David L. Smith, the creator of Melissa virus, claimed that virus was intended as a prank rather than a malicious attack. However, the Melissa virus caused disruption of email services, productivity loss, financial costs, and reputation damage to many companies and individuals. Next point is experimentation. Many a times, researchers and individuals studying cybersecurity develop some computer viruses for experimental purposes. While their intentions may not be malicious, that is, they do not want to cause any damage or disruption to any computer system, these viruses can unintentionally spread or cause damage if not handled responsibly. For example, Michelangelo virus, discovered in 1991, was an experimental virus designed to raise awareness about computer security. It is important to note that creation and distribution of computer viruses are illegal and unethical activities. We should use technology in a responsible manner and respect the privacy, security, and well being of others. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.